Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef broth from bones. First, gather about 3 to 5 pounds of beef bones, such as marrow or knuckle bones. Roast them on a baking sheet at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes until they are deeply browned. This crucial step develops a rich, complex flavor and a beautiful color for your finished broth. You can also add some chopped carrots, celery, and onions to the pan during the last 15 minutes of roasting. Once roasted, transfer the bones and vegetables to a large stock pot. Cover them with 12 to 16 cups of cold water. Add about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps to draw out beneficial minerals from the bones. Bring the mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very gentle simmer. Let it cook for 12 to 24 hours, regularly skimming any foam that rises to the surface. After simmering, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean, heat-safe container. Make sure to discard all the solids, including the bones and vegetables, as their flavor and nutrients have been fully extracted into the liquid. It is important to let the strained broth cool completely at room temperature before you move it to the refrigerator. This prevents rapid temperature changes. Once cooled, your homemade beef broth can be refrigerated for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze it in airtight containers or ice cube trays for up to 6 months. Before reheating, you can easily remove the solidified fat layer that forms on top of the chilled broth. This rich, flavorful broth is perfect for soups, stews, sauces, or simply sipping. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.